How to choose the best sales pipeline management CRM for your business. Hi, this is Saravanan and I'm the founder and CEO at Solid Performers CRM. So in this video, I'll be showing you the top primary things what you need to look out for a sales CRM in case if you're planning to manage your business in an effective way with the help of a sales pipeline management system. Number one factor what you need to look out for is the system should have an option to segregate your normal leads from potential prospects. For example, you might be having hundreds of raw leads, or they might make an inquiry in Facebook or in your website or wherever it is. Now the system should have an option to segregate the potential leads. Now out of these 100, there might be 10 people who are really potential. Now you should be having an option to segregate them and manage it in a separate place. Now if you can be able to manage them in a separate module, now it will be easy for you to track the performance and activity of only those deals whatever is happening. Now if you take Solid Performers for example, we have 4 different modules to manage all these data. Initial will be the contact module where it is in phase 1 where you have not even interacted with the lead in a better way. Now once that become your prospective lead or you are getting any lead directly from any other sources, we have a separate lead module. Now once this lead is potential enough, you can be able to convert this lead to a deal module. Now from the deal module, once this deal got converted to a client, you can be able to convert this particular deal to a client. Now the beauty is there is no need for you to do anything manually. In one click it will get converted and all data will be transferred to the next module. Now the CRM what you are choosing should have this feature. This is a very important and primary feature. Number 2, the CRM should have option to manage the various stages and status of all these data at various levels. As I told, you should be able to manage a different status and stage for a lead when compared with a different stage and status for a deal, because both are completely different and it will be having different stages where you need to monitor that in an effective way. So your system should have this option. Number 3, now since this is a sales pipeline management system, this CRM should have 3 primary factors in the deal module, which is basically your expected date of closure, what is the expected value of closure, and what is the probability of closure. Now if you have these data, then only you can be able to generate your pipeline system out of this. And if you don't have a clarity on this, it will be again very difficult to manage it, and the CRM what you are choosing is not good enough to handle your sales data. Number 4, the CRM should be able to build a healthy sales pipeline for at least next 1 year, which means when you log into the dashboard, you should be able to see what is it that you can forecast from your leads or deals for the next 1 year as a revenue. Now what this does is it will help you to build your business in a sustainable way. Now this is really important and the CRM what you are choosing should have this option. The 5th important factor is the CRM should have option to involve multiple team members in closing a deal. Now why this is important? If you take a lead, a sales executive or a telecaller can handle the lead. But if you move that lead to the next level, in most cases the manager or the team of members will be working on this to close a deal. Now how to take care of this effectively is possible only with the help of teamwork. And the CRM what you are using should have an option to manage the team data as well. Because what happens if multiple team members are not involved in closing a particular deal, it is still fine, but it will be difficult for you to increase your conversion rate, and that is the reason this is really required. Now the last and the most important thing which you need to consider in a sales pipeline management CRM is whether it has got option to build a custom dashboard and custom reports. Now if you take many CRMs, they provide a default dashboard and default reports. Now what you can do with the help of that? You cannot be able to do so many things, or you cannot be able to do the things as per your requirement. Now if you have an option to build the custom dashboard as well as custom reports, now you can be able to build anything based on your requirement which suits your exact requirement. That is what is primarily important. Now these are all the 6 important factors which you need to consider while choosing the best CRM for your business. And as a bonus, I'm here to tell you that Solid Performers CRM is having all these features and it is designed in an excellent way to manage all your sales pipeline in a much better way. Now, in the description below, I have mentioned the link to get started with the free trial of Solid Performers CRM. So you can try out Solid Performers CRM, See how these functions will be useful for you, and if you find this is really useful for you, then you can take Solid Performers to the next level. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for all future updates. Thank you.